I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Garmin XT2. To begin, power on your device by holding the power button for a few seconds until the screen illuminates. You can then navigate the intuitive main menu using the responsive touchscreen or the convenient side buttons. For seamless data synchronization, connect your XT2 to your smartphone via Bluetooth. Don't forget to personalize your experience by adjusting display brightness and sound settings within the system menu, ensuring optimal visibility and audio feedback for your adventures. Next, let's explore the powerful navigation capabilities of your Garmin XT2. You can easily access preloaded maps and download additional ones tailored for your specific region, ensuring comprehensive coverage. Create custom routes by adding multiple waypoints directly on the device, guiding you precisely. Follow clear turn-by-turn directions with both visual and audio prompts, keeping you on track. Remember to utilize the track recording feature to save your journeys, allowing you to review and share your exciting adventures later. Now, let's dive into the advanced features and customization options available on your Garmin XT2. Personalize your data fields to display crucial metrics like current speed, total distance, and elevation gain, all at a glance. Connect external sensors, such as heart rate monitors or power meters, for even more detailed performance tracking. Set up custom alerts for speed limits, sharp curves, or even fuel stops, enhancing your safety. Finally, explore the Garmin Connect app for in-depth activity analysis and easy sharing with friends. To ensure your Garmin XT2 performs at its best, regular maintenance and best practices are key. Always keep your device's software updated for optimal performance and to access new features. Clean the touchscreen regularly with a soft, damp cloth to maintain crystal clear visibility. Charge the battery fully before long trips to enjoy up to 16 hours of continuous use. When not in use, store your device in a cool, dry place, protecting it from extreme temperatures and prolonging its overall lifespan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.